Ever wondered how your favorite black tea makes it from the fields to your cup? Black tea, cherished by millions around the globe, is more than just a comforting brew. It's a testament to a remarkable blend of art and science. Its popularity is no mystery. The robust flavor, the rich color, the aromatic allure, all these attributes make black tea a beverage of choice for many. But did you know that the journey of black tea begins in lush, verdant fields? Its destiny shaped by the hands of skilled farmers and the wonders of modern technology. The black tea that warms your mornings and soothes your evenings owes its existence to a complex process that's as fascinating as it is intricate. This is a world where tradition meets innovation, where nature's bounty is transformed into a delightful sensory experience through the science of black tea farming and processing. Dive in with us as we explore the fascinating journey of black tea from the farm to your cup. It all begins in the sprawling tea fields, where the magic starts. The journey of your favorite cup of black tea begins with the selection of the right tea leaves. It's not just any leaf that makes the cut. Only the top 2 leaves and a bud from each tea plant are chosen. These young, tender leaves are rich in flavor, making them perfect for black tea. The plucking process is a careful dance, a balance between precision and gentleness. It's not about rushing to get the most leaves. It's about choosing the right ones. Every leaf is handpicked, ensuring that only the finest make their way to your teacup. But the leaves are just one part of the equation. The climate, the soil type, they all play a crucial role. The right combination can make the difference between a good cup of tea and a great one. It's a delicate balance, a harmony between nature and nurture. After the careful plucking, the leaves are ready to be transformed into the black tea we all love. The harvested tea leaves now embark on a transformative journey. Our tea leaves' first stop is the withering stage. Here, they're spread out in thin layers in a cool, well-ventilated area. This process allows the leaves to lose water content and become pliable, preparing them for the next step. It's akin to a gentle warm-up before a rigorous workout. The leaves' intrinsic flavor and aroma begin to emerge at this stage, like the first notes of a symphony tuning up before the performance. Next, we come to rolling. This isn't your typical roll in the park, though. The withered leaves are gently rolled and twisted, breaking down their cell walls. This action releases the tea's natural juices, which will later play a crucial role in fermentation. It's a delicate dance of pressure and release, coaxing out the tea's hidden potential. Then we move on to the fermentation stage, where the magic truly happens. The rolled leaves are left in a warm, humid environment, allowing the juices exposed during rolling to react with the air. This process turns the leaves from green to a rich coppery color, and it's here that the distinctive taste and aroma of black tea are born. Think of it as the tea's coming-of-age ceremony, where the leaves transform into something more profound and complex. Finally, we reach the drying or firing stage. The now fermented leaves are exposed to high heat, halting the fermentation process and locking in the tea's unique flavor and aroma. It's the grand finale of our tea's journey, like the final satisfying chord in a musical composition. After these meticulous steps, the tea leaves have now become the familiar black tea, ready to be packaged and shipped. This process, from leaf to cup, is a labor of love, a testament to the art and tradition that goes into every sip of your favorite black tea. So the next time you enjoy a cup, remember the intricate dance of transformation that brought it to you. From the field to your cup, the journey of black tea is indeed a fascinating one. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned today. We began with the farming process, understanding how the modern world has embraced technology to cultivate these magical leaves. From automated irrigation systems to precision farming, the tea industry has come a long way, ensuring a healthy yield without harming Mother Nature. We then delved into the intricate processing procedure, a delicate dance of withering, rolling, oxidizing, and drying. This is where the magic happens, where a simple leaf transforms into the robust, aromatic black tea we all love. And though the process may seem complex, remember that the essence of quality remains unchanged. Modern methods have simply made the process more efficient, more sustainable, but the heart of black tea production is still in the hands of skilled tea masters. So next time you sip your black tea, remember the meticulous process it has gone through to give you that refreshing experience. Thanks for joining us on this journey.